receive the gospel of Christ, whose herald you have become. Believe what you read, teach what you believe, and practice what you teach. Peace be with you. Now they have become deacons and they will be vested with the stone across their chest and the dalmatic, the vestments of a deacon. Now we shall continue the Mass with the offertory.